that bad with the last one.
So this is Elizabeth City, right on the river at MacU. And right now the river is up to the property line, lapping it. This is worse than it was during Florence. And it's not even raining here. It's just wind. The dock down there for the boats is underwater.
Clouds looking further and it's overtaking the docks.
Roads are flooding downtown, yeah. This is the drainage pond that's usually completely empty. It's about 6 feet deep. It looks about 2 feet deep right now.